Get him. Oh shit. Kill him. Dang it. Let's go, dude. The 3 Drake Blizzards? Let's go. Dang it. I don't know if I loaded my gun 3 times, because I think I don't know, I might have shot 3.
I couldn't get my gun above my shoulder.
What? Oh, I didn't see him.
Kill him.
I didn't see him. I didn't know what you were shooting at first.
Sorry. I just didn't want to let him get away. Because he saw those dead bodies and he was fixing a flare.
God dang. There we go. How did I miss that shot? Oh, did you get that one?
Yeah.
Woo!
Fucking snot.
I didn't even see that other one. How did I miss that one right there in front of
I'm probably
me?
going to have to walk over there and clean him up.
Yeah, I did. It's fine. Or, go get him. That's what I meant. You can go get him. Yeah. No, get him. Why am I missing the first shot? What in the world?
I didn't even freaking see him come in.
That's the second one I've missed right there. God.
I never saw him, and then you go blackjack, and I see him literally like
I thought it was a blackjack at first.
about to land, and so I just like I picked up my gun, and you missed the first shot, and then
Got him on the second. Hey, Lawson, right here. Right here. Kill him. Oh, shoot. He flew the wrong way.
yeah, he's a little far.
Oh, he's gonna come over the top. Gosh dang, I cannot shoot to save my life. I've never shot that bad.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah, I did. What the heck? I have never shot that bad. I missed him twice off the water.
That's funny, dude. Oh my.
God, I need to retire.
Why did he do it again after we already shot at him?
Because it's a dumb blackjack. I hit him with that little diver call. He can't even whirl him back in. Am I good?
They're gonna do it right above us.
Kill him. Get the Drake. Shoot the Drake. Oh, they're both Drakes. Let's go. I don't know. Oh, shit. No, it is a hen. She's gonna dive on us again.
What?
Oh, she's... Come here, girl. Got the pair. Shot. Widgeon. Kill him. Good shot.
Not the first two, but the last one was. Yo, baby, that was a Drake.
Let's go. One duck. We need one more.
Can't believe I missed.